Hello, I'm going to put together an EVO Integra within 60 seconds just to show you how quick and easy it is to do. Okay, here we go. So we pre-bend all our bits and pieces that we can. Take that off and bend the tags too, and we do the corners as well. And we do these two bits that are these two folds that are very close together, and these diagonals as well. That's one end of the box done, the other end of the box done. And you wouldn't do this, you wouldn't turn the box over on its side, but that's just to prove a point. There we go, and that's done with 4 seconds to go. Don't know if you can see that. That's the Integra done with 4 seconds to go. Of course, you'll take a bit more time than that and do it a bit neater than I can, but 4 seconds. So that was done in 56 seconds. Thank you very much for watching.